Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day on this one. Rough way to start off the week. To give a little bit of context here, I've done this analysis several times last week. That is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But now that we have more data here, definitely updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. But the first update that I'm going to zoom back in here that does need to be done, and this comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, 27 cents had been that, important level, which had done a fantastic job. I mean, you look back here and you can see several times the price had bounced off that level. But now that today has played out and with the price breaking down below there, I'm not saying the price can't get back above it. All I'm saying is that if the price does consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, the big question mark now becomes, can the price get up above and stay above that 27 cent mark? So that'll be that first key level to watch very closely now as the week continues to play out. As far as levels of support, got to squeeze things down. First key level to watch very closely now is going to be that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the famous 200 period moving average. And you can see that the price actually did bounce a little bit off there, earlier on in the day with a nice little, upwards movement playing out here. But point here being that 200 period moving average is definitely a very, very important level. So you want the price to continue to stay above there. If the price does not hold above that level, then the next key level of support would be down around that gap close location, which sits at about the 23 cent mark. But yeah, as of right now, not the greatest way to start off the week, but the week is young, still plenty of time left. So let's see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.